Financial freedom is having assets that generates cash flow, which can in turn pay for your living expenses. Financial freedom is when you have control over your time. And what majorly takes our time is working just to pay for our living expenses. So financial freedom is having something working to bring cash flow for your living expenses. And whatever this is, we call it assets. Assets are commodities or properties that bring in more money for you than they take out. Now, being financially free is that you have something that brings in more money for you, enough money to take care of your living expenses, while you take control of your time, your family, or whatsoever you want to spend your time doing. As far as it brings in more cash flow that can afford your living expenses more than it takes from you, then it can be called an asset. And these assets can be courses, rental properties, dividends of stock companies. Financial freedom is having assets that generate cash flow that can take care of your living expenses. Now, in our next video, we'll talk about how to know your living expenses, how to get financial freedom, and how to know these assets. Like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel to get more insights like this.